Ano sabi? The device is
I want to explain.
Ah, kahaba pala no 100. Ay, okay lang yun. Ayan na. In production is wait. Ayan na siya. Tingnan mo.
I saw this on
Grabe, ang mahal na cotton candy nito. 100 pesos.
Sorry.
Okay lang. Ayan na.
At least we got.
Oh, ayun na may something na siya. May stick. Mga wash stick.
I saw this on YouTube.
Wait, titignan na lang.
This is cool.
Ay, ang ginagawa niya. Ah, may nagsishake. Ano may pinili mong design? Okay.
I think it's like look at that! I really saw this on YouTube. That was ang ganda and it's cool. Wow! It became so big. It's bigger than I thought.
Malaki-laking face na. Cotton candy pala yan.
What is it going to do now? It's going to shape it into the four corners.
Ay, nilalagyan niya ng ano?
Petals.
Oh, cute pala, no?
Now it's doing the light pink part. It's now doing the light pink part.
Ah, oo nga, nag-pink na.
Wait, show the camera to the...
Ito muna yung process muna.
Oh.
Tapos pagka nag-out na siya,
Now soon po magiging flower! Parang normal pink na po.
ang laki pala niya.
Sorry!
Hindi, okay lang yun.
Oh,
Ano yan? Tapos na? Punta na siya doon. Teka, wait. Wait, ano? Hindi natin na...
Ay!
Wow! Parang hindi naman natin yung gano'n yung shape nun.
Sorry.
No.